Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Race. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a 2D animation. So first we want to download a software. The software is totally free of cost. You don't want to pay anything. So take your web browser and search Tupitube desk. Tupitube desk. Yeah. Okay. So you can see Tupitube.com. Just click on that. Wait. And then you can see download option. Just click on it. Okay, then scroll down. So I'm using laptop, so just click on that download to Tupitube desk, and then you want to select your operating system. So select your operating system and just click on that download button. So this is the Tupitube desk. So you can see file, edit. So just click on that file option and project, new project, just click on OK. So this is our editing interface. You can see one pencil, object selector, and lots of other options. So first I am going to draw one leaf. So you can adjust the pencil darkness here by clicking this. Okay, first we want to select that pencil. Yeah. Okay, I'm drawing one leaf. Yeah. Okay, I think that's okay. Then you want to click on this object selector and place your mouse pointer here and just drag it, so you can see all the image are selected. So you can see this property area and you can see group option. Just click on it. Then you can see two type of icon. Just click on this icon. Yeah, so it is group. Yeah, and I'm going to minimize it and place it here. Yeah, it's alright. And you want to copy this frame and paste it in second frame, and just click on that image and click on the down arrow key on your keyboard, and then copy the second frame and paste it in the third frame, and do it again, same thing again, paste it in the fifth. Just click on the leaf and down, copy it, paste it in sixth frame and down. Yeah, I'm going to play it. Yeah. You want to make lot of frame, then only you can get this animation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like the video. If you want more interesting videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.